Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. As I was preparing and reflecting for today's homily, I was led to remember this song by the himig Jesuita, Jesus ng aking buhay. The chorus part of the song has these words, "Saan man ako bumaling, ika'y naroroon. Tumalikod man sa iyong dakilang pag-ibig mo. Sa aking tatawag at magpapaalalang ako'y iyong ginigiliw at siyang itatapat sa puso." Imagine that, my dear brothers and sisters, even in the deep sleep of Jacob, God never rested from letting Himself be present. From there, God comforted Jacob with his words of affirmation. The Lord reminded him of his destiny. The Lord reminded him of the beautiful plans He has for Jacob. And in the same way, Jesus was tireless to extend help to the official. Even on the way, His presence made the faith of this woman with hemorrhage firm. And with that, just by being there, just with the touch of the tassel of His cloak, the woman became well. Tunay nga, tila saan man tayo bumaling, siya ay naroroon. Pilit man tayong tumalikod sa pag-ibig niya, tatawagin at tatawagin niya tayo, paaalahanan at ibibigay ang kanyang puso. We bring this hope with us as we start a new week and adventure. God is tireless to make Himself present. Saan man tayo bumaling, saan man tayo naroroon, makakatawag at makakakapit tayo sa Panginoon. He was beside Jacob. He was beside the official. He was felt by the woman. He was beside the official's daughter. Nasaan man sila, panatag sila na ang katabi nila, oo, ang mga kasama nila, pero katabi nila ang Diyos. We enjoy God's uninterrupted presence in our rest, in our moments of big worries, in the middle of fighting something in life, even in the simple growth of life, and shall we say, every time and everywhere. Saan man tayo bumaling, siya ay naroroon. He never abandons, He never leaves. He is just around us, and He will be there for us.